In this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep YouTube music playing in the background of your phone. If this video helps you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips. When you play a song in the YouTube Music app and then exit the app or lock your phone, the music stops. This can be very frustrating when you want to listen to music while multitasking, and here's how you can fix this. Open up the YouTube Music app and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom or top right, depending on which device you're currently on. It should pull up a page that looks something like this. At the very bottom of this page, you're going to see an option that says Get Music Premium. Go ahead and click on that option. And then from here, follow the prompts to actually subscribe with Music Premium. Once subscribed, background play will be automatically enabled. Now, when you play a song or leave the app or simply just lock your phone, that music is going to continue playing in the background just like you want. Unfortunately, there's no way to get around this without having YouTube Premium, so keep that in mind. But that's it. Enjoy uninterrupted listening. Before you leave this video, consider liking the video and subscribing if you did find this helpful. And remember, don't hesitate to comment if you do have any questions and we can help you out further. Have a great day.